Hi, I want to share with you this Volcano Aroma Diffuser. It comes with I think it's called a USB-C charging cord, and it plugs in right here. There is a button to turn it on and off, and to turn the color lights on and off and to change the color. And it opens up, the top comes off, and you can fill it with water right up here to the max fill line. Put a few drops of oil, essential oil, non-corrosive essential oil, into the diffuser. Put the lid back on, making sure that this lines up with this whole dip right here that I can't, hopefully you can see. So you line that up, plug in your cord, and then you push and hold to turn it on. And it looks like, shut off some light so you can see. Kind of looks like there's a volcano flame coming. You can push the button to change the color. If you just give it a tap or just like a quick push, we'll change the colors, and then you can shut it off. Shut off the light, but the diffuser is still going. You can see the steam coming out, and then get the light back on and cycle through again. If you want to shut off the whole diffuser, you push and hold the button. So if you're looking for a nice aroma diffuser, it's kind of fun. Looks like it's a smoking volcano, and it's very nice size. It's slim, nice to tuck away if you don't want it visible, or nice to put it in the center of a table if you're looking for something to add character to your decor.